Okay, let's do exercise of Surah Takathur. Rabi, you will help me fill in the blanks with suitable words. Surah Takathur was revealed in
Quran.
In which city?
Medina.
It was revealed in Mecca, but yes, of course, in some books it is written Medina, but here I told you it is revealed in Mecca. It consists of how many verses?
Seven.
No, it has 8 verses. Okay. The word Takasur means striving hard for Jannat. The word Takasur means striving hard for
Competition.
striving hard for competition.
Worldly things.
Yes, worldly things. Okay. At-Takasur means striving hardly for worldly things. Okay. Allah urges mankind to abandon. Where you are going?
I'm going. I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Allah urges mankind to abandon the worship of this.
Allah urges mankind to abandon the worship of the
Abandon the worship of the
world.
Okay. Abandon. Say no to the worship of the worldly things or world. Okay. The pleasure of the life of this world, the attention of those who love them for the hereafter, the pleasure of the life of this world. What it do?
I don't know this one.
Diverts the attention of those who love them for the hereafter. Okay. What does this surah warn us against? Amar, this surah warns us against
Hellfire.
hellfire, of course, because Allah says that it's those who forget their Lord in this world, there is hellfire for them in which they would be put. What we will be questioned about on the last day? About Arabi? In last day, about which things we will be questioned? Very good. That day we will be questioned about our blessings. Okay, blessings we have. Okay, now the last one is memorize this surah. Learn this surah by heart. Okay, this would be done by you. You will start verse by verse till the next week you can memorize it. Okay.